We headed for Bellows Field, which was under attack. We had been directed to head for there, climbing through the clouds over the Koolau mountain range. We received radio instructions to divert to Kaneohe Bay Naval Station. At about 9,000 feet, we spotted some dive bombers attacking Kaneohe and dove to attack them. Above us were more Zeros. I saw Lou engage a plane and fire at it, and I also saw one of our planes, probably Gordon Sterling, diving, smoking, with a Japanese aircraft on his tail. Out of the right corner of my eye, I saw a plane coming across in front of me, and I let the .50 caliber arm slide into firing position, and the gun started firing by itself. And I saw spurts of bullets marks as they stitched the fuselage, and smoke started to come out from the plane. As I pulled up, I saw another plane coming head-on towards me, not firing, but seeming to want to ram me. I pulled up sharply to avoid collision, and at that instant, all hell broke loose. My canopy was shot off. I felt the plane shudder, and I lost control and tumbled into the clouds below. Finally, I got the plane under control and found that I had no rudder control, only aileron and elevator controls. I had to push my stick into the far right corner and add maximum trim to keep the plane level. Unknown to me at that time, my hydraulic lines had been severed, my tailwheel had been shot off, and one main gear tire with bullet holes in it. Included were two 20-millimeter explosive cannon shells that had buried themselves in the radio equipment behind the pilot's seat, saving my life as there was no armor plate. 7.7-millimeter bullets had peppered my catwalk on both sides. While ducking through the clouds on my way back to Wheeler, I finally had the courage to gingerly touch the top of my head to see how badly I was injured. I was not wearing a helmet, only a headset. To my relief, I found only shredded plexiglass from the canopy mixed with my hair and no blood or injuries.